Gang!
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I'm Rob Level, the only rapper you know. Let's give other rappers the cheat codes to the game, alright? And this is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for upcoming rappers. Welcome to SoundCloud Week. I started researching in depth and studying everything about SoundCloud marketing, and I'm gonna teach you guys everything that I've learned over the last few months. And I have a marketing masterclass coming, so you'll be able to learn how to market your music across every single social media platform. This week we're focusing on a bunch of videos from SoundCloud and the crazy results that I got.
Crazy?
From using these secret little things. Now today I'm going to show you some free SoundCloud promotion that got me some unexpected results, which is super impressive for something that's free. I'm going to show you what I did, how I did it, and then the exact results that I got at the end of the video. And I'm going to do that for every video in SoundCloud Week because I test key features of different types of things, and then I show you exactly what they did for me. This way, if you ever spend your money, you'll know exactly what kind of results you should expect. I spend my money so you can save yours. I did free SoundCloud promotion, I did really cheap SoundCloud promotion, I did mid-level stuff, and I also did high-price stuff. I'm gonna show you all that stuff, okay?
Yes, sir.
You're about to get smarter. I'm gonna show you what you can do with this free tool to actually get some results. I'm gonna show you the results that I got that I didn't expect, okay? You're about to get smarter right after the intro. Make sure you subscribe. It's free too.
Wait, we trap. This was bound to happen. Got loot, no cap. You know we about to action.
See, it might not make no sense, but it made a lot of sense to me. I'ma finish where I started, plus I'm charging up a fee. Jesus used to call me stupid, now my pockets would agree. In my penthouse, I be laughing, he.
After using this site and seeing what it could do for even the free users, I talked to the owner of this site, and I talked to him into just giving me something for free for people who may want to use this. So anybody who clicks my link that's in the description or uses the code SmartRapper, you're gonna be able to get 30 free credits just for signing up, even on the free level, okay? To test this site, this is what I did, okay? To make sure that there was nothing but this site working, to guarantee that the results came from this site, is I created a brand new SoundCloud profile, as you can see here. Okay, created it from scratch, had 0 followers, had 0 streams, had 0 songs, and then I uploaded my new single built like this on a SoundCloud, which is already at 200,000 on Spotify, okay? I started using this site that I'm gonna show you. I wanted to use this site specifically and all of its key features for 1 month and just see what I could do with this tool. I mean, I recorded and documented the entire process from day 0 to day 30, and here were some of my reactions every day when I press refresh.
All right. Look at that, it actually worked. Wow, that's crazy.
Oh man.
Look at all those comments. I love that. Whoa.
Oh God.
Everything doubled. Everything doubled.
Woo!
Yo.
Now, what this site does is it allows you to earn credits by reposting other people's music that you like to your fans, and then they can repost your music to their fans, and it reciprocates. You trade credits. So the more credits you have, the more people can actually share your music. It's that simple. That's how the site works. Now, using free credits that I got from signing up to this site that you already get, plus you're gonna get 30 bonus ones by using my link below, I started a campaign. What this does is it allows you to use your credits, and then other users who are browsing for things to repost, if they repost, they get some of your credits, but then you get seen by their fans. Now, because you go into the browse campaigns, every person that clicks that, you're gonna get streams from it. So even just going to this site in free mode and setting yourself into a campaign, you are gonna be able to get streams, like hundreds of streams, and I'm gonna show you the results of. You're gonna see in a second. I started a campaign and I targeted everyone I could with all the credits that I had. Now here are the 100% free results that I got from this site without paying for extra credits or upgrading my membership to the $10 a month, which gives you a lot of features, but I didn't do that because I wanted to test every single level. What a Smart Rapper quick cut to, if you want the course, and I built this whole course, took me 2 months to build, I'm gonna give it to you 100% free. It's step by step exactly how I went from 0 followers on SoundCloud to 1,000 followers on SoundCloud in less than 30 days, 100% free. There's only 2 things I'm asking from you. 1, you give me a 5-star review on this course when you take it, because I'm gonna give it to you for free and it usually costs $50. And number 2, you follow me on SoundCloud. That's it. The links are gonna be below. It's free. Go get it. You're gonna get the secrets. All right, back to the video. Now, to be honest, with this being free, I didn't expect these kind of results at all. And we can assume that if we got these types of results after only 3 days, we can take this number and assume that the results would actually be 4 to 7 times higher if we went out through the whole month. Now, that's really crazy for free SoundCloud promotion. And all you have to do is repost somebody else's track, and then they repost yours, and you're just trading credits. So if you spend 15 minutes a day on this site, you're gonna gain new fans. You're gonna get comments. Oh, this site is crazy for comments. Look at how many comments I I got by the end of the month here. You just have to spend a little bit of time every day using this, okay? And then if you spend money, you get even more capabilities and better, more targeted reach for the right people. But I'm gonna talk about that stuff in other videos because I tested every single aspect of this site. There's gonna be about 6 videos going through every single feature that this site has and my exact results of what I got from each piece, from me paying 60 bucks for one thing to me paying 200 for another thing, which was insane results, to, I mean, just a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you how all this stuff works. It's gonna be inside the music marketing playlist, and it's gonna be inside the SoundCloud marketing playlist, okay? You check those out. And don't forget, you're gonna get 30 free credits just from signing up, okay? By using my link or using the code SmartRapper. So go ahead, all right? Go below into the description, sign up, just look at this site, test it out, okay? And then come back and watch the rest of these videos that I have that are gonna be releasing this week, okay? The results of this thing were insane, I'm telling you right now. We should assume that if your music's as good as mine, that if you utilize the same exact things, and at the end of this week, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step of every single step I did throughout the entire process, all 30 days, okay? You follow those steps and you are going to see similar results, which is insane, especially since I had 0 followers when we started this. 0 followers. I didn't even tell my fans to go follow this at all. No one was even notified. I only used this site, okay? Like you guys are just right now even hearing that I have soundcloud.com/RobLevel. I never really used SoundCloud. I focused on Spotify.
Of shooting videos is complete, Mr. Level. Good job.
Thanks.
Next, you have a team meeting in 10 minutes.
Okay. I only really use Spotify, okay? But now I'm using SoundCloud. I'm only using this tool. And I'm gonna upload a new song every month, and then I'm gonna show you guys at the end of every month exactly what this tool did for me, okay? At the end of the month, roundup, so you can consistently see how I'm growing using this. Pretty cool, all right? That's enough though. Make sure you check out the next video. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It's free, okay? And 250,000 subscribers can't be wrong, okay? Think about that. Hit me with a like and hit me with a comment if you used this site before and did you like it? Because I'm seeing some crazy results with this, okay? Even for free. Like if I was just starting out as an artist, this is essential, okay? Free, come on, all right? The paid stuff, insane. Anyways, watch those videos. Make sure you check out these other videos I got right here, okay? Keep hustling, gang. I'm gonna see you at the top.
Smart Rapper, gang.